Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel TNR. So I hope you all are well. Let's start our video today. What I'm doing here is I have taken my mold and I am working here with medium viscosity resin. So I'm just pouring my resin into the molds. So I don't have a name for this technique here, but this was something that I was looking for and somehow I achieved it. So what I'm doing here is I have added black pigment into a resin and I'm just pouring an outline. Just a little bit, not too much black. So here I have mixed pearl pigment from Resin 8, but sadly that company is closed now, I think so, and there was some big mishap happened there, and it's really sad because I bought so many pigments from them and they had so many amazing colors. But I think you can buy this from Elichem. I'm not sure. I will see into it and let you know, because yeah. So I'm just pouring this simply on top of this. That's it. So here I'm adding foils into the center. Now there are so many varieties adding into the center. You can add crushed stones, you can add foils. So yeah, a lot of things are available now in the market. So I will let this cure now and leave the resin to do its magic. So this is the next day and I can see some textures happen, but my resin is not cured yet since it's really winter. So here comes handy my Teexpert resin curing machine, and I just put these coasters into this machine. So you can see that it's not always necessary that you have to use this machine for a long period of time. You can just add it for curing as well. So now these are cured now and I'm demolding them. So yeah, I'm happy with the effect that I have on the outer side. Technique, but you can see that it's a matter of seconds the technique changes, the effect changes. So now I'm doing the top coat here. So this is after doing the top coat, and now I will be doing the silver edging, and this is my liquid silver. I will be doing the edges. That hint of black has definitely gave it more texture. I think if next time I added more black, let's see, I will do it next time and what effect I will get. And since I have seen that a lot of effect are created in deep molds where there is a lot of resin, and that resin create different effects. So carefully I'm adding the silver edging. So after doing the edging, even though I have done the top coat, I am doing it again. So I'm just cleaning the top part here because I had to do some sanding. So this is me doing again the top coat. So this is the final step and let's see how it turned out. So this is the final look and I am actually loving this, how elegant these coasters turned out. It's really not always about the same techniques. We are doing some different experiments and trying to achieve different effects because resin has so much to offer. So yeah, this was one of my try in achieving it. So I hope you like it, and if you did, please do let me know in comments, and also please like, subscribe and share. Thumbs up if you like the video, and Take care. Bye bye.